Mike Burrows. Thanks for visiting us here at our brand new ToolingDocs maintenance facility. We're in Ashland, Ohio, located midway between Cleveland and Columbus. We're 3 miles off of Route 71, easy access to our building. Come on inside, let's talk about some of the services we offer here. One of the first things you'll notice when you enter our lobby is a solid cherry working model of a 10-plate, 10-cavity mold. Before we had our facility here and our seminars were done on the road throughout the country, this mold traveled with ToolingDocs. It has many, many, many miles on it. We've retired it, we've given it a place of honor in the corner of our lobby. I would like to introduce you now to Steve Johnson. Steve is our operations manager here at the facility. Some of you may recognize the name. Steve writes for 2 of the leading magazines in the industry, Plastic Technology and Mold Making Technology. Steve has a column called Across the Bench. Very good reading, a lot of time-saving tips. Let's see if Steve's in his office. Hello, Steve.
Hey, Mike, what can I do for you?
Well, I would like for you to give our viewers an overview of some of the services we offer here at the facility.
Sure. Let's start back in our maintenance training room. Come on into our training room. I think what I'd like to do first is talk a little bit about some of our off-site services that we offer through ToolingDocs. One of those being an MCA, Maintenance Capability Assessment. An MCA allows us to come into your shop and assess in 50 different areas things that might be able to improve your efficiencies and your standardization of terminology. We actually score you based on industry best practices that we've observed over the years. Another service that we offer is called a TSI. That stands for Total Systems Implementation. This is a service where we contract out for a client for a complete year of training and database maintenance. This allows us to fully understand over the course of a year exactly how your shop functions and be able to pinpoint certain areas that we can establish for improvement. OST, on-site training, where we actually come in, work with your repair technicians, and establish best practice techniques at the bench. In all 3 of these services, and here at the ToolingDocs facility, we utilize MoldTrax 4.5, the latest version of this system. It is a performance and maintenance tracking system for molds, one of the leading systems available on the market. Now let's go back into our tool room and let's take a look at the shop where the work gets done. As we enter the shop, one of the things that I'd like for you to notice is the expansive space that we have around the benches and around the machines. Typically what you'll see in the industry are a lot of benches crowded together, a lot of machines crowded together, and a lot of guys scrambling to get work done in a very small contained space. This is a maintenance training facility. We've opened that up, allowing ample room around the benches so we can move in a safe and efficient manner. Come on in and take a look. So welcome to our shop. One of the things that I'd like to draw your attention to, we have 2 overhead bridge crane systems. Capability of 3-ton or 6,000 pounds each. Having 2 systems like this allows full servicing of all 4 benches, but it also allows us to offload or load any mold that we get from the back of the truck quite easily and safely. We have 12-foot long custom-made benches with a full complement of underground utilities, so you'll notice a lack of any conduit hanging down from the ceiling. We have air, water, and power at the end of all of our benches, allowing full advantage of having these utilities close by. Now let's take a look at some of the other features of our shop. Now check this out. We've got a real nice Niederman vacuum unit here that we can place this hood over the hot runner manifold that we're servicing at the time. So any smoke or any vapors that come off of it are easily extracted outside, keeping our shop from being smoked up and keeping our guys happy and healthy. We've also outfitted ourselves with measuring equipment here so that we can take close tolerance measurements from parts as far as flash and non-fills, and also any type of tooling component measurement that we need to do. We are capable of handling small, very quick wipe downs where we just do tooling component changeovers, or we can also get into more depth repairs such as full tooling stack outs, preload conditions, and things of that nature. Also here at ToolingDocs, Cleaning is a big part of our operation. It's a big part of any mold operation. So we've outfitted ourselves with several different types of cleaning apparatus. One of those being a cold jet ice shaver that we use on a lot of our medical molds, and we also use a blue wave ultrasonic system that we'll take a look at in a minute. Right now, just take a look at this glass bead blaster that's behind. Just take a look at our glass bead blaster. We've got a real nice unit, 30 by 30 unit, made by Abrasive Supply Company out of Minerva, Ohio, a polyblaster glass cabinet. We have two separate units here. We have the glass bead blaster part, and we also have a separate media collector that allows this area to remain extremely clean for this type of an operation, which is important whenever you're servicing medical molds. Let's now take a look at our ultrasonic tank. This is our blue wave ultrasonic tank. This is the workhorse of our shop. We run 180 degree temperatures. We've got 30,000 kilohertz of power and 3,000 watts from our generators. We've got an overhead system that allows us to completely immerse any plate that we get from our client molds, cleaning out inaccessible holes that you typically can't get to through hand cleaning operations. This is a great, safe, efficient way to clean molds, and we utilize this a lot here at ToolingDocs. As we head back up front, I want to show you one more area. This is our mold staging room. This is a service that we offer customers who are transferring molds from one location to another. It works like this. They simply send their molds to ToolingDocs, we'll clean and repair that mold, we'll set it up in a maintenance system, and we'll bring it in here, box it up, and get it ready for transportation from one plant or one location to another.
Hey, thanks, Steve. And that concludes our tour of our brand new ToolingDocs facility here in Ashland, Ohio. If you have any questions, just give us a call at 419-281-0790 or look us up on the web at toolingdocs.com. Thank you and have a great day.